So the next one is small scale industries. So what are small scale industries? Small scale industries are those industries in which a larger number of goods are produced as compared to the cottage industries. In small scale industries, a larger number of goods and services are produced as compared to the cottage industries, right? And we also make use of different types of machinery and equipments which are a little bit more advanced as compared to the tools, machineries and equipment which were used in the cottage industries, right? And in the small scale industries, we also make use of the local materials and as well as the materials from the surrounding regions, right? We make use of the materials that are found locally, that is in the same villages and towns, and we also make use of the materials from the surrounding regions. Like you are making a product in Delhi, in a small scale factory in Delhi, then you can also bring your materials from the surrounding region, that may be Noida, Ghaziabad, and Aligarh itself, right? Small scale industries hire workers to perform work, right? In the cottage industry, what did we saw? We saw that the family members were the workers only, while in small scale industries, the workers are hired on wages, right? They are paid wages and they are hired in the factories. Then in the small scale industries, there is cheap but skilled labor. The labor which is employed in the small scale industries are not given a very large amount of wages, but still they are very skilled in the work that they do, right? So the workers that are working in the small scale industries are workers with good skills, yet they work for very cheap wages, right? Then the capital invested is more than cottage industry but lower than large scale industries. The capital invested is more than the cottage industries, but yet it is small than the large scale industries. It is lower than the large scale industries. Then a small number of power driven machines are used, right? In the production of goods and services, in the manufacturing of the goods and services, the machineries which are used are a little bit advanced and they use a little bit more power as compared to the machineries of the cottage industry. The machineries in the cottage industry also make use of power, but still the power which is utilized in those machines is quite small. A very small amount of power is required to operate those machinery, while in small scale industries, the machineries which are used are comparatively more power driven, right? A greater amount of power is required to operate the machineries in the small scale industries. Then products are usually smaller parts for amalgamation in big industries, right? And for sale in local as well as external markets. Products which are produced in the small scale industries are not only for the sale in the local market, they are also for sale in the external markets, that is the markets which are outside the villages and towns, such as for sale in the different cities in the same state, or maybe in different states of India, or they could also be exported to different countries of the world. So let me just write down all the important points of the small scale industries, that is the important features of the small scale industries. Local as well as raw material from surrounding region, local as well as the raw material from the surrounding regions is used. Cheap but skilled labor is employed. Cheap but skilled labor. That is, workers are working in the factories on very small wages, but yet they are very skilled in the work that they do. Then we saw that in the small scale industries, the capital invested is more than the cottage industries. Capital invested is more cottage industries. Then we saw that the machinery which is used in the small scale industry requires very small amount of power. Small number of power driven machines. Small number of power driven machines are used, as well as external market, local as well as external market. there is one more point that we forgot to discuss, that is the products that are manufactured in the small scale industries are usually smaller parts for amalgamation in the big industry. What does it mean? It means that the products that are manufactured in the small scale industries are the components or parts of the different products that are manufactured in the large scale industries or big industries. For example, in the big industries, what type of products do we manufacture? We make refrigerator, we make automobiles, we make complex machinery. So what type of products do we make in the large scale industries or big industries? We make products such as automobiles, refrigerator, television, etc. Right? So in these products, different types of components or parts are to be used, and these components and parts are manufactured in the small scale industry. So the products which are manufactured in the small scale industries are those products which are to be used in the big industries, like a steering wheel, which is to be used in the cars and the automobiles, different types of automobiles, right? Or maybe a nut and bolt which is to be used in, a refrigerator, right? Traders are involved in marketing of goods. In small scale industries, traders are involved in the marketing of goods. You must have seen that in large scale industries, what happens that companies use different types of advertisements, commercials, and these advertisements and commercials are displayed on television, different types of media such as television, radio, and other media to display advertisements. While in a small scale industries, what happens that traders are involved in the marketing of goods. Traders themselves advertise their products. Traders themselves tell the main features of their products to the potential customers or the buyers, and this is how they market their products. They do not market their products through commercials and advertisements like in large scale industries. Okay, so the next point is that small scale industries provide employment to the rising population. Small scale industries provide employment to the rising population. Small scale industries set up easily as they do not involve high expenditure, and government also encourages small scale industries. So a small amount of capital is required in small scale industries, and that they can be easily set up without much expenditure, and government also encourages the setup of small scale industries because they help in providing the employment to people, they help in giving them opportunities to earn their own livelihood, and the small scale industries also help in the development of the country as it contributes to the GDP or the national income of the country. Do not require high expenditure, and promoted by the government. Traders are involved in the marketing of goods. They provide employment to the rising population, and they do not require much expenditure, and these industries are promoted by the government because they help in raising the GDP of the country or the national income of the country, and they provide employment to the rising population. So let me write down the other points as well. The first one was traders are involved in marketing of goods. In marketing of goods. What does it mean? That unlike the different commercials and advertisements that we see on the different types of media like radio, television, etc., these advertisements and commercials are not displayed for the products that are manufactured in the small scale industries. The products that are manufactured in the small scale industries do not display any kind of commercial or advertisements on the different types of media such as the television and radio, right? Easily set up and no heavy expenditure, that is, do not require heavy expenditure. Then we also saw that these industries are encouraged by the government as they provide employment to the rising population. Give employment employment to population. And encouraged or promoted by the government. So these are the features of the small scale industry.